Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance woes into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into video number 336, How to Fix Merrick Credit Card Declining, 2025. If your Merrick card keeps getting declined, you're not alone. This is a common issue, especially with evolving security measures in 2025. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the fixes step by step, so you can get back to spending without the hassle. First things first, start by checking your account balance. Log into your Merrick Bank app or website and ensure you have sufficient funds. Sometimes, a simple oversight like an overdraft can cause declines. If everything looks good there, move on to step 2. Verify your card's status. In 2025, Merrick has ramped up fraud protection, so check for any holds, freezes, or even if your card has expired. You might need to reactivate it if it's been unused for a while. Next, double-check your personal information. Outdated details, like a changed address or phone number, can trigger declines. Head to your account settings and update anything that's not current. Now, if the problem persists, it's time to look for potential fraud. Merrick's 2025 updates include advanced monitoring, so review your recent transactions for anything suspicious and report it immediately through the app. Don't forget to contact customer support, it's often the quickest fix. Call the Merrick helpline or chat online. They're equipped to handle these issues efficiently. While you're at it, ask about any new 2025 features, like biometric verification, that might be causing the glitch. Lastly, prevent future declines by setting up transaction alerts and regularly monitoring your account. By staying proactive, you'll avoid these headaches altogether. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.